Blessings, 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 one and all. This is Bishop Dr. Lang coming to you this evening as we get together again on our weekly medical update. I am excited to be with you today, and we're spending the time, as you know, it's based on the topic of your immune system, and therefore we want everybody to be up to speed. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about fasting today and how that affects our immune system. And I know a lot of people are doing intermittent fasting. I think based on your medical condition, you have to be careful. Those people who are maybe diabetic or hypertensive have to be a little bit more careful, making sure that you're adequately eating the right amount that is going to take care of you, especially if you're on medications. However, it is very important that you realize that studies have found that fasting resets and regenerate the entire immune system. So this is exciting for those people who I know are doing quite a lot of intermittent fasting. This coverage found that it works with people of all ages, even the elderly people, that if they are able to do some fasting, that may go a long way in helping to reboot and regenerate the immune system. What happens during fasting, the body actually uses the stored fat and glucose, and what it also does, which is the important piece, it tends to break down some of the white blood cells. And in case it kind of breaks down the older cells, the weaker, and then the other cells are then, body is great about getting things going, so the other cells will then start back to be produced, which are newer cells that are going to be more basically stronger in fighting. So the breakage of the white blood cells initiates regeneration of new immune system cells. So when, and it's a kind of an involved process, but suffice it to say, when you break down these white cells, there's products that are released that is going to cause the body to actually regenerate and start to, produce more of the new immune cells. So thus fasting actually improves immunity by regenerating the weak and the old immune cells. So I don't want to make it too complicated, but I want you to understand that. So there is good evidence that intermittent fasting is going to help with the breakdown of some of the older cells, and therefore a regeneration of newer cells that are going to be more healthy and able to fight and to boost your immune system. I do want to caution you, however, the prolonged fasting, you have to be careful, make sure you're hydrating, you're not getting dehydrated, and such like. So there's a lot more to talk about. So definitely check with your physician also based on your condition, what may be okay for you, because what may be okay for one will not be for the other. So you want to make sure that you're not, going against any of your plans with a physician. And I want to make sure everybody in this program realize that. So fasting in general, however, helps to regenerate your immune cells and therefore regeneration and boosting of your immune system. So make sure you speak with your physician about, you in particular and how it may help. But, do some more reading. I will expand on various parts of this as we go along in our discussion, because we want everybody out there to have the strongest immune system that is possible, especially going into this times with all the viruses around and such. You need to get your immune system boosted up and ready for a fight. So hopefully everybody will take heed, see what part of this is good for you and just go forward. Blessings, and stay healthy and stay strong. Remember to wear your mask in these times that we're in. Blessings.